Hello, I'm Craig Wells, performance consultant for a small startup in New York. Sorry you caught me at a bad time. I'm about to go into a big meeting. What? You want to know what the difference is between a traditional trainer and a performance consultant are? How random. I was just going to talk about that. The main difference between a professional trainer and a performance consultant is that the trainer reacts to performance problems, while the performance consultant proactively responds to potential problems before that problem gets out of hand. Walk with me. I'll tell you a little bit more before the meeting. A trainer, such as a corporate trainer, has similar duties to a teacher. They create training programs to help workers learn new skills, and they evaluate previous programs to improve upon them or create a new program. Basically, a trainer's job is to answer major office problems by creating a training curriculum and then correcting that problem through worker training. Better keep up, we're almost there. A performance consultant uses data and a deep understanding of human performance issues to find the root cause of an issue, and then uses training in or non-training options to solve the problem. A performance consultant understands the inner workings of everything performance related. Project management skills, consulting skills, and intervention skills are used to find and close performance gaps. The performance consultant is seen less as a trainer and more as a plumber that finds broken pipes before they burst. Alright, I'm done. See you after the meeting. Maybe next time we can talk about the performance consulting profession in more detail.